Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unreact a message on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, find the chat on which you want to unreact a message. Next, tap on the chat. After that, find the message on which you have reacted. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of tap to remove. Tap on it. So, this is how you can unreact a message on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.